Okay, so we've got Bonnie and Mummy opening Fluffie Stuffies, whatever they may be.
Okay, right. How do you do this?
Bonnie, what happens with a Fluffy Stuffy?
So, you don't know what colour it is, but like, you wonder.
Okay, what's this?
That's cool.
Unicorn. Collect them all. Look, I went to show everyone. No! The unicorn.
Alright, we've got the unicorn.
Ah.
Right. And then here.
Oh, I want to do it.
Okay. You
Yes.
unzip it.
Zip. Hey, let the girl do it.
Wow, okay. Is that how you take it out? Because I think that's a really small hole.
Oh my goodness. This is actually so hard. You like...
Oh, you hold on to it. I'll pull the bag. There you go.
Now you pull it.
You reveal it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you pull off the... Oh, wow, okay.
Okay, right.
Fluff off.
I'm gonna have to get the Hoover out, aren't I?
Yeah, this is going to be messy.
No, we put it inside here so we have two fluffy friends.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we
Oh,
don't.
that's better. I don't know.
I mean, it's
Right.
it's my idea, but...
This is not going to take forever.
Don't stop. 50 hours later.
It does feel like it's going to take ages.
Just...
Wow.
Don't worry, test subjects. You'll be a unicorn again. Yeah, you'll see it as well.
How long does it take to defluff this?
Probably 50, 60, 100 hours.
Are you sure you may have to defluff it?
That's what it says. I think we could be here for a while, so...
Yeah. We'll come back once you've defluffed it. Oh, Turbo Mum.
But you're not a clean freak.
I wish I was.
Oh. Well, you can be a clean freak if you
Well, I
want.
don't think it's being a clean freak. I'd like everything to be nice and tidy, but I have all
That's
you
a clean
children
freak.
that...
You're a clean freak for sure. Like, ever since this came out, I was just like, wow. You got some nuts, Mummy. Oh, it seems like I'm going to get a white one.
Oh, that's cool, isn't it? What are you doing, Flappy Bird? You just put it all in there? Okay, put that in there then. So what did you get up to over Christmas, Layla? Well... I pulled the fur off a soft toy.
So what's the aim of this? Just to make it turn white?
Well, actually, we guess which colour it is and we see which colour we get.
It's white.
It's pink or white.
White. It's definitely white.
Okay. I mean,
Should have its face.
are you going to get married with your sky? The three girls walking like a clean.
Oh, teamwork.
And we are
Makes the
going
dream
to
work.
take far off. So I got the white flab. Wait, what's it?
So you defluffed it.
Sorry. It's called Sorry.
Starry.
And then you take it out and then you put it in here so your parents don't need to pull it up.
Oh, okay. So that's all the fluff from the unicorn. And there they are without their fluff on.
Yep, This one has fluffers.
He's me.
Wicked.